How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a sharp jawline step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do teeth touches. So all we're going to do is we're going to get our top, bottom teeth and we're going to touch them like this. Very gentle. Don't bite too hard. At 7, keep going. It's 20, keep going. 30, perfect. Quick little break. Next exercise that we're going to do is the fish face. So we're going to bring our cheeks in like this. That's 5, keep going. 30, perfect. Quick little break. The next exercise we're going to do is we're going to open our mouth wide like this. At 17, keep going. 20, perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're going to go back to the teeth touches, you guys. That's 13, keep going. That's 30, perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're going to end it with smiling. So big smiles, you guys. That's 15, keep going. It's 20. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.